So what we advertise as an industry standard on the face of the wheel is typically you'll see two numbers. So we have the hardness and the diameter. Let's talk about the A scale, the hardness. So each wheel has a different formula. So all wheels these days that are used for outdoors especially are made of polyurethane. It's a very resilient material that has changed skating since the 60s and made us able to use roller skates and skateboards as a way of transportation. So the urethane comes in different hardnesses. There's a scale called the A rating scale. The durometer is a fancy term for the number that represents the hardness of the wheel. They start at 70A and go up to over 100A. The scale should go up to 100 as the hardest. Some manufacturers have adjusted the hardness rating so that they can hone in on specifics of very, very harder wheels. Generally, what's adopted in roller skating is the A scale durometer. So the durometer is the number that's next to the A, representing the A scale. The higher the number, the harder the wheel. A 78A wheel is like the classic outdoor wheel that we make, and most outdoor wheels are 78A. A durometer that you would want to use for dance or on a very smooth roller rink surface, especially wood that changes in the summer, it becomes softer. You want to use a much higher A, so a much harder wheel, around like 97 to 101. And then right in between there, between 78 or 80 to 97, there's a whole range of hardnesses that will adapt to different smoother surfaces. So the higher the number, the harder the wheel, the smoother the surface, the harder the wheel will be easier for smoother skating. But oftentimes we skate outside, like on sidewalks and rough terrain asphalt. You want a softer wheel to absorb the cracks and pebbles on the sidewalks and rough surfaces. Just because a wheel is labeled outdoor doesn't mean that you can't take it indoors. It's going to mean that it's going to be much harder to glide on an indoor surface. Like if you take this wheel in the roller rink, it's going to be very slow. It's going to feel like you're pushing through marshmallows when you're on a soft wheel on a very hard, smooth surface like a roller rink. Usually we don't label wheels indoor wheels because you can use a harder durometer outside, for instance, skate parks. So skate parks are typically made of the surface is either wood or concrete, and the harder the wheel, the easier it is to be agile and fast in a skate park. So outdoor wheels are soft, cruiser friendly. Indoor wheels are hard. They're all represented by a number on the A scale. The higher the number, the harder the wheel. The lower the number, and those are around in the 70 range, the softer the wheel. Thanks so much for tuning in. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel because I'm going to continue to talk my brains out about all of this stuff that I am so passionate about because all these products are so near and dear to my heart, and I just love talking about it. Thank you very, very much. Appreciate you all. Love you all. Remember to subscribe to our channel, comment. Thanks for chatting with me. I love you. Mwah.